Today on The Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make savory pulled ham. This is not your typical spiral sliced ham. A lot of people have fought me on this. They say you can't make shredded ham out of an already cured piece of meat. And I say, watch me. Cooked low and slow like a pork butt, it's going to give you the most delicious shredded ham. For this recipe, use a bone-in shank, butt, or full ham. A spiral sliced or a compressed ham loaf won't do the trick. I've also used a non-bone-in chunk of ham and it works great as well. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. In a deep dish or roasting pan, place your ham in, cut side down. Score the ham by slicing diamond cuts into about a 1/2 inch deep. And if you're using a shank, go ahead and trim off any of the hard skin that might be on there. In a bowl, add in 1/2 cup of stone ground mustard and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix those together. Then spread that mixture over your ham, making sure to really get it in those grooves. This really is such a simple mixture that we add to our ham. It gives a little bit of a sweet and a bit of a tang. Being that hams are so savory, this really complements it so much. Onto our mustard layer, we're going to add in pineapple rings, which I use about 1/2 can worth, and then I'm going to drizzle that remaining pineapple juice over that ham. Go ahead and tightly cover that with foil, or if you have a lid that will fit tightly, you can use that as well. You want to make sure that that is sealed really tightly so those juices can't escape. Simply pop that into the oven where it's going to cook for 5 to 7 hours based off the size of the ham you get. You can also make this in the slow cooker, which I recommend putting it on high for 4 to 6 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. You want your ham internal temperature to hit 200 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll be able to know because it's going to just fall apart. Once the ham is done cooking, you're going to want to let it rest for 30 minutes, still sealed up. Slide those pineapple rings off to the side and go ahead and start shredding. If you want to try this out on the smoker, head over to heygrillhey.com and check out her recipe and version of this. Top this on a roll or serve it as is. Either way, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.